Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be using breast milk to treat baby's acne. My baby got acne all over the body, this side, in the neck, and also in the face. So how to treat them? He had them, but I treated them. So without waste of time, but if at all this is your first time to click on my channel, please kindly subscribe. So without waste of time, so for some mothers it's very hard for them to get milk by placing like this, but for others it's very easy. But if at all it's very difficult for you to press milk like this to get that milk you're going to be using to treat babies' acne, pimples, anything on your baby, I'm going to be showing you how to do it. All you have to be doing, always telling you that you should have a cloth to hand place, because whenever you need to have milk out of you need to hand place. Once you're done with hand place, get the milk out, then start placing the milk, that milk drops. Get the milk drops, press them like this in your hands, then start applying to your baby like this, in the face, in the neck, and everywhere you see pimples, start placing them like this. You see? Oh my god, he doesn't want. This stubborn boy. Okay, look here, baby, we're making a video. Just look there. Okay, start doing what? Massaging on the places where you're seeing those acne. Trust me, breast milk, it has that antibody property that helps to treat or heal any baby kind of skin rashes. Okay, in today's video I'm just giving you why you should be using breast milk when it comes to pimples. It's natural, it doesn't have any side effects, it will not cause any future side effects. Everything is going to stay normal. So after 2 to 3 days they are going to dry off. Once they dry off, you're going to be seeing the skin is going to start peeling off. Once the skin peels off, it's those acne, they'll start peeling off. Once they get dried, they'll start peeling off and the skin will stay clear. Okay guys, love you all and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao, say bye bye. Why are you looking at me like that? Tell everyone bye, say hi, tell them bye, and tell them to subscribe. Tell them, baby boy, this boy who is putting on dresses, yeah? Okay guys, love you all.